April TV is exploding with brand new shows you can't miss. From The Last of Us Season 2 to Black Mirror's shocking new episodes, this month is packed with drama and mind-bending twists. Pulse brings a chaos like you've never seen, while The Handmaid's Tale reaches its epic conclusion. April 2025 hits hard. New shows are dropping everywhere. Ransom Canyon's Texas drama, Government Cheese's family twists, and The Bondsman's supernatural chaos are ready to steal the spotlight. TV is back and bigger than ever. From thrillers to sci-fi, from family drama to dark comedy, there's something for everyone. Which show are you watching first? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for all your April TV updates.